Hey there, I'm Rafi from Octonariat, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the dashboard to distribute tokens. So first you need to log into your dashboard, and then you simply navigate to the Accountings tab. Here you will soon see, there they are, all your company assets, which is Ether, crypto francs, but also your tokenized shares. Now, in order to distribute tokens, simply click on Distribute Tokens. And here you will be able to select the type of token that you want to distribute to different addresses. So it could be additional shares or it could be crypto francs. Select whatever you want. And then you need to decide who will receive these tokens. So if you click Prefill Table, it will automatically prefill the table with all your shareholders that are registered. You can also add some addresses manually if you want to, or you can import an XLS file from an external shareholder register. Once you have done that, you can simply set up the allowance and then create a proposal in order to send out the shares or the cryptocurrencies if you want to.